Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. I'm in love with my jewelry cabinet with a mirror. This saves so much space and everything looks so organized. I love the fact that it has a full-length mirror, storage shelf, jewelry, and cosmetic cabinet to maximize the use of space. There's so many features you will love. It has an LED light that allows you to do your makeup or skincare routine at night. It has these two storage drawers, and it also has space in the back for you to organize more items. I love that it swivels perfectly and that you can fit so much in here, having everything super organized. You have space for your earrings, for your necklaces, for your rings, your makeup, and your skincare routine, and more. You're also going to notice that it comes with a key just in case you want to have everything secure. I went from this to this, making my room look more spacious and organized. This comes in other colors as well. You're going to love the quality just as much as I have been loving it. With that being said, I highly recommend this jewelry cabinet, and that is my point of view.